Today's Taco Lunchable is a perfect way to reuse leftovers from taco night. Hi, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I'm so excited that you are here. This entire month, I'm showcasing quick, no-cook, back-to-school bento ideas that you can whip up really fast in about 5 minutes, and I'm sharing with you the tricks of keeping packed lunches fresh until lunchtime. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other quick lunch ideas. The first thing I'm going to do is take these soft flour tortillas and place them in the large compartment of this bento or this lunchbox. In this lidded container, I have some cherry tomatoes, but you could also place some salsa instead. I love having these on hand for wet ingredients that I want to place a little lid on and not get the other dry ingredients soggy, and everything stays nice and wholesome until lunch. I filled another one of these with some shredded cheese, and I'm also gonna place a little lid in here, and that goes in the big compartment. Now we also have some leftover shredded lettuce from assembling our tacos, and that's gonna go in the lunchbox as well right here. Now, if packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that would help you build quick lunches by mix and matching ingredients that you already have on hand. This is the perfect lunch to use up this little bit of taco meat leftovers. That's just really not enough for anything significant, but perfect for a bento lunch. My kids barely eat dinner hot as it is, so this leftover taco meat is gonna go in the lunch container by itself, and it'll be enjoyed at room temperature. But of course, if you want to send a taco meat hot, go ahead and heat it up and put it inside of a thermos container so your child can then assemble the tacos nice and hot. Remember to send utensils with this lunch, whether it's a plastic or reusable. That will be very helpful when enjoying this at lunchtime. And all you have to do is place your lid on that lunch container, seal it, place it in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to pack it in the lunchbox, go ahead and grab it, put an ice pack, and then this Taco Lunchable and a drink, zip it up, and this lunch is ready to go. But wait, there's more. Watch this next bento that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.